Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to mirror your iPhone onto your LG Smart TV, and we'll go through it step by step. So first thing to do is make sure the iPhone and the TV are both on the same Wi-Fi network. Let's start with the TV. Press the settings button on the remote, and when the menu appears, use the directional pad to go to the top, then go across to the Wi-Fi icon. Click that. This brings up the internet connection window. Now you can see I'm connected to Wi-Fi. If you're not, select Wi-Fi and enter. You will see a list of Wi-Fi networks and yours should be on the list. Just click on it and enter your password. Once that's done, press the home button to go back. The next thing to do on the TV is to enable AirPlay, and we can get to that using the Home Hub button, which is just below the power button. Press that once and you'll have a menu appear. On the left-hand side, you'll see AirPlay, just there. Click on that, and we have an AirPlay menu. The first option is AirPlay, and click on this to enable it. It now says on. Here we have a security setting. It says require code, and at the moment, mine says first time only. This means when I connect, or if anyone connects, they'll need to enter a code. This prevents perhaps your neighbor connecting by accident and showing their screen on your TV. If you want to change that, click on require code and you can select every time or set a password. Next, we have subtitles and captioning. We have about AirPlay, and here we have reset paired devices. So if you want to unpair all of the devices, just click that. That is now set up. So we can click home, and we can turn our attention to the iPhone. Similarly, we want to make sure the iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. So go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, and just make sure you have a tick and it's the same Wi-Fi that your TV is on. Great. We can close this window, and now we can connect the iPhone to the TV with screen mirroring. The way to do this is just to swipe from the top corner or perhaps from the bottom of the phone, depending on your model, and just find the icon which has a rectangle in front of another. This is the screen mirror. You can see it's located my TV. I'll press this. And as mentioned, it's asking for a passcode, so I'll enter that. 6935 and OK. And we can see the phone is now mirrored. With the phone mirrored, it works in portrait, and you can tilt the phone to the side, and it will also work in landscape. Finally, to disconnect your phone, we have three ways. If you just press on this island just here, we have stop mirroring. If we swipe again from the top or bottom, we have that same mirror button. And we can also use the remote control and press the back button or just press home.